All right, well done in the videos. Very good, very good. I feel like we should move on. Let's move on to a new thing here. I want to make sure we avoid burning out on that pattern, but you definitely did well in the videos, so I think you're okay. All right, this one we are going to be easing. We're going to ease into less and less downstrokes being played. So this is the first step. So I have the rhythm written out two different ways. Actually, let me get that. There we go. Let's have that on screen. So we got here. Looks like 4/8 notes in a row, but it's actually only 3. So we got the 3/8 notes in a row, and then technically the 4/8 note in a row, but that is tied to an 8th note. This note is tied to an 8th note, and then we have another 8th note. So we do not play on the downbeats of 3 and 4. So down here has no ties. So it's up here it's easier to see where all the downbeats and upbeats are. So there's everything for beat 1, everything for beat 2, everything for beat 3, everything for beat 4. So this shows us that we play on the down of 1, the upbeat of 1, downbeat of 2, upbeat of 2, upbeat of 3, upbeat of 4, down, up, up, down, up, up. So that's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So quietly saying the 3 and 4 is a good idea, so you can stay or make sure you don't get lost in the beats, but not really necessary for this one. You can definitely just go with saying only what we play, because there's only a couple of ands by itself. So just do it like the 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. It's a perfectly fine count for this. And for this part here, again, we are doing the same strumming pattern, same rhythm, just looks a little different. So again, we have 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th note, 8th notes. 8th note tied to an 8th note is 2 8th notes long, which equals 1 quarter note. Quarter note. Quarter note, quarter note, 8th note, 8th note. So, same rhythm, we just look at it a little bit different. So this way you have experience looking at both ways. When you get going faster with this, it becomes very easy for the upstrokes to drift into the downbeat. So it's very much pushing your ability to hear when you are in the middle of the beats. So, as always, if you have any doubts, if you are playing it correctly, assume that you are not. Really make sure it feels solid to you, and only increase that metronome speed if what you just played is good enough to be recorded. Alright, that's right. We gotta remove the repeats for right now. So working it up, no repeats. Here we go, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And demonstrating with the 4 reps at 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. we go. All right. Any questions come up, let me know. I will see you next week.